just got a Roku streaming device that you want to connect to your Vizio Smart TV, whether you got the Roku streaming stick, the Roku Express, or the Roku Ultra, I'll show you how to connect and set up your Roku streamer with your Vizio TV in minutes. No matter which Roku device you have, it will include a power cable and a small adapter like this. And for Roku Ultra, you'll get an adapter similar to routers. Just plug the cable to the adapter properly and the other end into your Roku device. Now, if you have the streaming stick, you can just plug it straight into one of the HDMI ports of your TV. And for the Express or Ultra, you'll need to use a separate HDMI cable, and one end goes to your streaming device, the other end goes to your TV. Now that the HDMI cables are connected, plug the adapters into power. You may be tempted to plug in the USB cable directly to your TV, but it won't provide enough power to your Roku. Now all you need to do is press the input button and switch to the HDMI input that you have plugged your Roku into. And while it's booting up, make sure to pull out the battery tab of your remote. Now it will prompt you to pair your remote by holding down the back and home button together for about 5 seconds. You'll see a green light blinking, and the remote will be successfully paired to your TV. So now we can start the setup process. First choose your language, and then connect to your home Wi-Fi. After that, your Roku will install the latest software. So don't turn it off and let it restart on its own. It will say Roku is updated to the latest software version, so we can press continue. And then you can set up your Roku remote so that you can control your TV's volume and power. To set it up, just press continue. Make sure it says Vizio TV. Now turn up your TV's volume using the TV remote and make sure you hear the music. If you don't, press no. If you do like me, then yes. Now it will play a few more music and keep pressing yes or no. And it will take only a 2 or 3 steps to your remote to be successfully paired to your TV. Now in this step, you'll need to sign in to your Roku account or create one. And for this process to complete, you'll need to use your smartphone anyway. So just select Activate with QR code, grab your smartphone and scan it using your camera app. It will redirect you to my.roku.com. Here you can either put in your email and other credentials to create a new account, or if you have one already, tap Existing Customer. Now sign in with your email and password, and you may need to verify it. Then it will ask you to name your TV and choose a location and choose a room. After this, you can choose which streaming channels you want to add to the home screen, or you can just press and continue to skip. There we go. The setup is complete. Your TV screen will update and it will start loading all the apps. When it's done, it will take you straight to the Roku TV home screen. It's that simple. So now you can start exploring a whole new world of entertainment on your Vizio TV using your Roku streamer. Hope you found this helpful and stay tuned for more.